In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency setting on Expedia's website so you can see prices in the currency that makes the most sense for you. Perhaps you're planning an international trip, or maybe you're just checking prices and want them to be displayed in a familiar currency. Changing the currency setting can make planning your trip easier and more convenient. Let's dive into how you can do this. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Expedia website by typing expedia.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the home page loads, you'll be greeted with Expedia's signature layout featuring travel deals, search options, and promotions. This is where your journey to change the currency begins. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage. Here, you'll find options related to language and currency, conveniently located for easy access. These are essential because they allow you to customize how information is presented to you based on your preferences. Now, to change your currency, look for a drop-down menu that displays a currency symbol, often set to USD dollars by default if you are accessing the site from within the United States. Click on this currency drop-down menu. Once you do, a list of various currencies will appear. This is the list from which you can select the currency you wish to use. Select your preferred currency by scrolling through this list or typing the name of the currency or country into the search field, which makes finding your currency easier if the list is extensive. Once you locate your chosen currency, simply click on it. For instance, if you're interested in displaying prices in euros, select EURRDU. After selecting your desired currency, the website should automatically adjust the prices displayed on the site to reflect your choice, providing you with a more personalized browsing experience tailored to your needs. It's as simple as that. This change in settings can greatly enhance your booking experience, as it allows you to monitor costs more accurately, making budgeting and comparison much more straightforward. It's worth noting that your currency setting is saved as part of your browsing session, so if you close the browser and return later, you may need to reselect your preferred currency. If you have an account and are logged in, updating your preferences may keep this setting consistent across devices. With these straightforward steps, you can now seamlessly adapt your Expedia browsing experience to suit your currency preference. This is particularly useful when comparing flight, hotel, and package prices, ensuring you're making informed decisions without the hassle of manual conversions. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this information helps make your travel planning even smoother. Happy travels!